I wanna be immortal, like a god in the sky. I wanna be a silk flower, like I'm never gonna die. I wanna live forever, forever in your heart. And we'll always be together, from the end to the start. That's what we do it for, to reserve a place. It's just another part of the human race. That's what we do it for, to reserve a space in history. It's just part of the human race. I'm forever chasing after time, but everybody dies. If I could buy forever at a price, I would buy it twice. But if the earth ends in fire and the seas are frozen in time, there'll be just one survivor. The memory that I was yours and you were mine. Everybody dies. Chasing after time. When you love somebody, they'll always leave too soon. But a memory could make a flower bloom. We wanna be remembered, don't wanna live in vain. But nothing lasts forever. This world isn't a losing game. I wanna mean something to somebody else, feel as if nothing else in the real world is not enough to live out a lucky life. I'm forever chasing after time, but everybody dies. If I could buy forever at a price, I would buy it twice. But if the earth ends in fire and the seas are frozen in time, there'll be just one survivor. The memory that I was yours and you were mine. Everybody dies. Chasing after time. No, I don't wanna be afraid to die. I just wanna be able to say that I live my life. Oh, all the things that humans do to leave behind a little proof. But the only thing that doesn't die is love, 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 love. I'm forever chasing after time, but everybody dies. If I could buy forever at a price, I would buy it twice. But if the earth ends in fire and the seas are frozen in time, there'll be just one survivor. The memories of a lifetime. Everybody dies.
This video is for all of you who have no plans today because this holiday is mega boring. I'm right there with you. But I guess I do appreciate looking back to see how far I've come. So I had a New Year's Eve look planned for last year when my channel was pretty new, but I ran out of time to do it and I was really disappointed. But now I'm still on this journey and better at makeup, photography, and all of the things that go into this, and I can do it justice. I've shed a lot of psychological weight this year, especially those voices that told me I wasn't good enough, I didn't give enough, or I was too selfish to go for what I wanted. But this year I've been able to be free and confident, and part of the reason I don't linger in moments of doubt anymore is because of you guys and my followers on Instagram. Thank you for believing in me, whether you've been here for a day or the whole year. I'm proud of what I've achieved in such a short time, and I'm really excited for 2018 and what it has in store. So now I thought I would do a little bit of an MVP products of 2017, just because, why not? It's fun. You can probably all guess them because I use them in like every video. First up is my Morphe 35C palette. Pretty sure it's discontinued now, but I have used this, you guys know. It has totally changed what I can do with makeup looks, and I love it so much. Another thing is my Moonchild Glow Kit. It doesn't look like I've used very much, but I have. Coty Airspun powder. I discovered this around the middle of the year because it was summer and my makeup was just melting no matter what. And I mean, it always does that because I have really oily skin, but I just needed a better powder, and so now my strategy is to just do my base, pack this powder on, and I stay matte like all day. Next one is something that was given to me by my best friend. I think she got it in her Ipsy bag. It's the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. It just looks like another bronzer, right? It's beautiful. Okay, first of all, it's waterproof, which is really good for my oily skin because that means it actually sticks to it. And it's got this sheen to it. It just makes your skin look so nice. Kind of smooths over any texture you might have on your cheeks. It makes you look like a princess. This I got this past Black Friday. The NYX Nude Beige Lip Liner. It is the closest I'm ever going to get to my natural lip color. Next is the NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick. Pretty much all of them are great, but this shade, Kitten Heels, is like the perfect red lipstick because it's so warm toned. I have super yellow skin, so blue toned reds on me, just, they don't look good. I don't know what it is, they just don't look good. But this is warm toned, bright red, and it's amazing. So yeah, that's it. Those are all the products that I discovered or started using this year that have just blown me away and that I'm going to use all the time, or that I already do use all the time. If you like my channel, please think about subscribing, which you can do by clicking my picture or watching another video. Now I'm gonna go watch Wonder Woman with my mom. I wish you all the best of luck in the new year.